we want to get a small layer of the buttercream.
Look at that. This is not dairy-free, right?
That's totally dairy.
That's why
And
it's so
it's
good.
got honey and maple and bourbon.
Oh, it's so good.
And we just are kind of putting a very thin layer, and it's basically to help so the moisture from the bananas doesn't take over and make the cake too soggy.
You don't want a soggy bottom.
You don't want a soggy bottom.
Although that's more for pies. That, you know, that's what they say, right? Soggy bottom.
Yeah, I don't want a soggy bottom.
But
Like
they're
they do
really talking about butts.
Thank you.
You don't want a soggy butt.
Have you been watching the Great British Bake Off?
I have.
I
love Tasha.
I missed the I don't know who's caught up, but
Oh yeah, you don't want to give away too much.
but what's her name? The cute one that left last week.
Oh, I don't know, but are you giving it away right now?
I don't know, but I love her.
Okay, well, all we know is that there's a cute one that left last week. That's really
She
cute.
always made you smile.
Well, don't keep talking. I mean, some people aren't caught up.
Well, that's their problem. So we are now building a dam.
Ooh! Hey, where's your beaver?
Hey, yours was out on stage the other night.
Yeah.
All right, so
Hi, Mom.
we're creating a little protective barrier.
That's so cool that you just did that. That was amazing. Right? It was like magic.
I am magic.
You're an architect.
I am magic. Okay.
She is magic.
Now we're gonna go like this.
Gonna be magic.
Oh, and I don't know if you remember when I was testing this recipe.
Yeah.
This is a new addition. I didn't have the
Oh,
fresh
that's right.
bananas in there.
The benefit of being Melody's like real life friend is that you can like taste her creations. And it's actually the only reason why we're friends.
Yeah,
That's it.
I know. That's usually why people are friends with
Yeah.
me. Use me.
Just use you, abuse you, and
Use
throw
me
you
and
away.
abuse me. I wouldn't mind if someone would be doing that
Oh,
now.
hey.
Anybody else?
You
single?
call me sometime, huh? That's my rotten thing.
That was pretty
Well, I
good.
got no respect, huh?
you ever-
I got a wife though, and she drives me crazy, huh?
Did you ever meet him?
No, should I?
Oh, I don't know.
I
Got really
he was kind of like really big. When I was growing up, I thought he was very funny. Him and
Okay.
like
look at that.
Steve Martin, Chevy Chase,
Steve Martin's great.
Carol Burnett,
All right, so we've got our
Norm Macdonald. Any fans of Norm Macdonald out there? Oh yeah.
Yes, indeed.
He's I think one of my favorite
whipped
comics.
cream.
May he rest in peace.
So we've got our layer of marinated bananas that have been marinated in honey and bourbon and honey.
You said that.
I know. and
Honey,
maple.
bourbon, maple syrup, dairy, cream, banana. Dang, this is impressive. I mean, just the smells that are coming out of this, there's so many and they're all amazing. Ooh, look at that! How do you do that so quick? Look at that beautiful, like,
It's all about the
creamage.
grip.
Oh yeah, I see, look. Don't look at my nails, though. I'm not a lady.
You're a lady.
You're a force.
Now we're just gonna kind of top that off. Like so.
Boop, boop.
Thank
Boop, boop.
Okay.
Josh.
And
Banana. And a
Little-
Scooby-Doo.
another little layer of bourbon and honey and maple and sugar. And it looks like it might be too sweet, but trust me, with that peanut butter and the bacon, doesn't it sound disgusting? It's totally not. I was so anti this cake and then I made it. It was so good.
Yeah. Especially like you think like they're all such strong flavors. Like you got bacon, you got peanut butter, and you got banana. You're like, what? Who's gonna be the star of the show? Who takes over? Right? Who is it? And then you eat it, and you're like, this is a team effort. Everybody's playing. I'm trying to do like a team, but I don't know enough about sports to like. Everybody's a team player. You got
your favorite sport?
mine?
Yeah.
Well, I guess I know the most maybe about basketball.
Okay.
So we got
Point
the point guard,
Yeah.
the defending line.
No.
No, defender.
Well, yeah, everyone plays defense.
Okay. Oh, defense. Yeah. Then there's the three-pointer
Yeah, shooting guard.
shooting guard.
Yeah.
I don't know anything. But I do find basketball players very attractive. I like how they like run back and forth, and then you hear the squeaking of the sneakers.
Here, I washed it for you.
Oh, thank you.
Go Lakers! That's my dad. I don't know if he likes Lakers anymore.
Lakers?
Huh? 2 Lakers? Like even old ones?
No, current.
Oh. Give me a hint. Well, I know like more 90s,
Right.
so, you know.
One nickname the King. Like for a long
Is that
time.
LeBron?
Yeah.
Okay, LeBron James. I know
Yeah,
LeBron
that's
James. He's good looking. And talented. And nice. He's a nice guy. Yeah.
All right. One of the good things about this cake is you don't need it to be pretty because
What?
we're gonna make it. I mean, it ends up being pretty, but I mean, like, a lot of times it's super hard to get the cream perfect when you're doing it.
I think
So,
it looks pretty
I'm
good.
gonna-
And this is called the naked cake, right? When
It's
you
getting there.
when you scrape and see some of the
The naked cake.
yeah. Is there anyone saying anything, Jerry, that we should? Oh, I wore fringe because of Elvis today. This is really hot in here.
It is hot in her.